2, 1.
Hello again. Well, I've finished the job. Got the car. It had Spicker fuel injection on it. I've taken all that rubbish off. I've overhauled the cylinder head. I've put the cylinder head back. I've put two reconditioned carburetors on. New carburetor mounts. I've had a second-hand airbox sandblasted and powder coated. I've done my ignition timing, loads and loads of other parts, a petrol filter king. I've balanced the carburetors up, and now the engine runs absolutely sweetly. I'll just start it up for you. One flick of the switch and she's off. And soon I'll put the bonnet on and I'll take her out for a road test. Come and have a look at all the carburetors. I've balanced them all. I've just got to lift the tick over up just a little bit. I've done the tracking, and this car should fly.